Breaking news as we come on the air tonight. A massive, potentially historic storm slamming the center of the country.
Blizzard in effect. Stay off the roads. You may have seen the emergency alert go out just about half an hour.
Hey boo, can I go? Can you stop right here? I'll take one picture here. Look at this. Yeah, sure. I didn't think about it. Oh. Up a little, yeah. Oh.
I can't go off the slope.
Oh, Nikki, you scare me a lot. This is like Narnia, Winter Wonderland. Okay, no slope. Now I have a good feelings that no one's gonna be on the trail with us. So down there is downhill, so might wanna be careful, okay? Oh my God, this is so amazing! Look, I've been dreaming of this kind of ride. Snow flying in our face. And Nikki and I are having fun out here.
Oh yeah, shit! It's slippery!
Oh, I'm amazed you made it, boo. I was sliding. Holy crap, I was scared. Okay, I gotta go slow now. Like your life depends on it. Oh look, your markings. You're the first person to mark this trail today. Oh man, you can hear the snowdrops on my jacket. Believe it or not, this is what I call romantic. Okay, so be careful, okay, boo? It's like driving a car. If you're gonna turn, you might slide. Yeah, go slow. Yeah, if the snow is bad, we turn back. I actually don't even know how I convinced Nikki to be out here with me. Because this is the weather that I like to go in. And because of just how because of how beautiful it is. Alright, try to stay away from the cliff, okay? If you fall, at least you don't fall down to the cliff. It's hard to retrieve you. Oh, wow. Feels great. How are you, boo? Are you cold anywhere? Aww. My face is fine. I like my face cold. Oh, man. Alright, so let's use this time to talk about the bikes. I am in love with this bike, to be honest with you. Oh wow. Gotta go up to PAS2. That was uphill. Frankly, because it is affordable. Even though affordable in terms of e-bike standards. Because e-bike can go up to 1200 and more. Yeah, and at 1200, it's still not going to be as fast as this bike at 900. The problem I have with this bike is this handlebar and this neck thing is just too tall, right? So it looks weird. It doesn't look I would say cool, but it depends. It's subjective. On the there's a duck. I think he froze. Should I put it in the back of my seat? Oh, there's another one. There's two more. Just okay. We gotta stop. Come on, geese. Let's be friendly, okay, geese? Let's be friendly. Okay. We want no trouble. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Whew. I gotta be honest, when I dress with multiple layers, I look cool. But when Nikki does it, she looks like a homeless person. No, I'm sorry, boo. I shouldn't. Yeah, you gotta go slow here, boo. No, it's never too late. You can't. Brake slowly. That's what I'm trying to say. Because that up there is you're gonna turn. You don't want to go fast turning, okay? when you ride, so for people who don't know what riding in the snow is like, just imagine yourself on ice. Well, if you don't know what snow is, you wouldn't know what ice is. Well, yeah, but not like ice lake kind of thing. Well, just imagine putting your finger on an ice cube, right? The secret to this is go slow and steady, and turn. Before you turn, you should slow down and turn with intention. It's hard to explain, but Nikki and I have lived in this winter wonderland for so many years that driving is normal to us. And apparently a lot of people crash when it comes to snow, and it could be bad luck, or it could be because a lot of people here, they don't actually baby, slow down, I'm catching up. They don't actually know that it's bad. Oh no, they don't know that it's bad, so there's a lot of accidents, and mostly what I've seen is people from like California with their into accident and stuff, because even people with trucks, they believe that they're okay. Nikki said to be careful. Nikki, you're going too far away from me. I guess Nikki is one of those people. She's like fearless. Yeah. Woohoo! Okay. Oh yeah, under the bridge thing. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh, this is so beautiful. Ah! Oh my God, Nikki. You're gonna kill me. You're gonna give me a heart attack. She does that all the time. Like just slide and start screaming, and then I start screaming. My heart stopped for a while. Oh my God, the creeks. I believe yesterday when we went, the creek was dry because it has already melted everything, all the snow from last time. Now we have water running again. Oh, I love this sound. Oh, this is what they call ASMR for me. I love the weather. I love bad weather like this. Snow hitting your glass or your windows, making those sound, or rain hitting your aluminum roof. Those who don't know, back in Asia, we have aluminum roof, and when rain hits it, it's music to our ears, and we just sleep through it. Oh man, okay. Hopefully when we get back, it should be fine. Oh, they're playing snowball up there. Okay, I really hope that Nikki and our bike doesn't get water damaged. If it does, make sure that you know, we can still get home. Oh man. Oh, there's a guy down there hiking. He's gonna do some camping, man. Yeah, we're not afraid of this weather. All the news channels are telling us to stay home, stock up on food. That's why all the grocery stores are empty. And we're like, we're going out. Ain't nobody stopping us now. Oh man, look at this one guy walking. Oh, this is beautiful. Hopefully he's friendly. Okay, reaching for something. Hello. I don't know if he's friendly or not, but he has an axe on his side pocket of his backpack. Look. Okay, he's far away. He must be one of those prepper guys preparing for this kind of weather. Like us. We're prepper too. So anyway, I got sidetracked, sorry, about this bike. Definitely buy it. If you don't care for the speed, even though it can go 28 miles per hour, you have to work to get there. You have to pedal assist to get there. And a lot of other moped bike style that cost around like upward $2,000, like from around 1,500 to more. You know, you can, it has more torque, but it looks like a moped style bike. It's basically for city like, and we're not in a city environment. We mostly go on trails, and so we want something that looks like bikes. Nikki got her Jetson Bolt Pro. That's only $300 for a 350-watt motor. That's amazing. I've seen e-bike from Walmart charging $700 for a 250-watt motor. Like what is going on here? My Lectric XP is, for what I would say, amazing. Amazing experience. It takes us to places we wouldn't dare walk or drive to. I thought I saw this guy before. Hello. Oh, I like his jacket. Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow. So anyway, look at this snow. Whenever we see padded snow, we're actually happy because that will give us traction. Ah! Just as I say traction, I lose control. Oh, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my God. I love this kind of weather. Look at that fog. So amazing. And look at this water. Oh baby, this is amazing. Oh baby, yeah. I'm gonna get this. Oh wow. I think the lens is, oh yeah, lens is fudged up. Here, I gotta take a picture again. I'm so glad the GoPro is waterproof. That guy's getting heat up. Oh, look at this water flow. Oh, this is beautiful. Baby, yeah. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. You imagine that there's a winter storm warning right now, telling everybody to stay in the house, hunker down, make sure you get all the food already because it's gonna last till 2 days later, and it's gonna be worse tonight because it's gonna reach freezing temperature, which is when all this will be extremely dangerous. Like it's not already dangerous right now. Oh wow, what a beautiful sight. There's a car here. Oh my. What's up? Oh, they're not talking to me. You okay? You okay, boo? You fish to come back? Then we should. Alright. Visibility is really bad right now, so Nikki and I are gonna turn back. We're not gonna risk it. See, what time is it? It's 4:54. The temperature is dropping. Right now I see it's like 30 degrees, which probably is worse because due to the wind chill. So that means everything that's going down will stick. So Nikki's made a right. Ah! Oh, I saw that. Nikki and I had to stop to adjust our goggle. Now we're going home. Look at that. That is my rig. It's sound activated, so I can go. Yeah. Whew, I love this creek. One day I will have a house next to a creek, or at least I'll dream of having a house next to a creek. Alright, we're going uphill, and the snow is very sleek. So yeah, I aim for all this mushy snow because it will give me traction instead of sliding me. That's the secret. Wow, fresh. You can see our old tire track. Now we're making new ones. So back to the bike. Look at sidetrack so easily. After I install my suspension zoom post with a new seat, a very comfortable seat, this bike is extremely enjoyable. The only thing left that this bike is needed is two things: the front suspension fork and somehow make it lighter. Because this thing is too heavy. It's hard to enjoy things like this when it's too heavy. I mean, when you're riding it, you don't feel like it's heavy, but when just knowing that you have to bring it in the house, carrying it somewhere, or maybe on a road trip, it's just defeating. But it's okay. I knew about this, the weight of this bike when I purchased this. I am okay with it. I'm just saying that when you're buying it, just know that it's heavy. You might think that you can lift 62 pounds easily, but we're talking about 62 pounds heavy, big object. It's very hard to lift it around. This bike came extremely well padded. There is actually nothing absolutely wrong with this bike. There's minor issues that can be easily fixed. For example, there is screeching sound. A lot of sounds come from this bike. The sound comes from the fender touching the fork, the front fork. There's sound coming from the brakes. But overall, just overall experience. If I had to give this from 1 to 100, I'll give it a 99. And that 1% is just because certain things make sound and you have to manually do it. And the thing is, even if you get a perfect bike, after a while you have to fix those anyway. So it teaches you how to fix things now. Oh, something wrong, Bo? Nikki hasn't get used to riding in this kind of weather.
Who would?
I would. I'm prepared, girl. I prepared last month, a month ago. I ride every day. I know what the cold is like. I have prepared everything for this day. I can go -degree weather and I'm fine. Oh, by the way, I got new shoes from Colombia, and it has insulation, and I'm wearing one pair of socks only, and it's still warm. That's just proof that the shoes work. I'm loving it. It's fugly. It looks like, Nikki said, it looks like an older people kind of shoes, but hey, at least I'm warm.
Yeah, with the new struggle, you fine.
Yeah, Nikki's struggling. I'm like, I can stay out here all day. This is gonna give Nikki the experience of what's it like to be T. This bike is actually pretty sexy from the side. It's just the way it looks. It just looks like beastly, beautiful. It's how it looks in the front, and the back is questionable. It looks like a utility bike, which is okay, but you know, sometimes I just want to look cool. So when I see a girl, I just like do a drift and make sure I'm on the side so you can see how cool the bike is. I also put lights on there just to attract people and me, because I love lights. I feel like I feel so futuristic with lights. This is my first bike with 4-inch tires, and wow, it is a different experience. It is so good. I can't show you right now, but because I'm afraid, but I believe because due to the 4-inch tires, I am able to ride with no hands for miles. Going on a dirt road is a dream. It's like I keep looking for trails with dirt road because it's just so comfortable. Of course, with the suspension seat post and the new seat that I got, it's just a dream. It's hard to explain. It makes you want to keep going and going and going. I put this, you know, you can see it. I put this battery pack on top so I connect my lights to it. Oh my god, Nikki scared me so many times with her swirling around. It's not her fault because her bike is so low, it's so small. So it's only 14-inch tires. It's like 4-inch snow. It's harder for her to go. But she managed it really well. You see that? This is the years of being in a snowy state. She's like, I can handle this easily. Plus the bridge has the side boundary, so we don't fall down, so we kind of feel safe. But yeah, but I love this kind of snow because it provides traction and I won't slide and die if I go slow. In the front, this bike has such a big frame, right? So I glue a 10,000 milliamp Jackery power bank there. One, is to power my light. 2 is to power my phone in case I need to. Oh, I gotta get rid of this. Oh, up the hill. Up the hill. Up the hill. Up the hill. What song is that? So yes. And this bike is also, I found out, I knew about this. It can actually fit in the Tesla Model 3 trunk, but you have to really work it. I didn't want that because it was laying on itself, and it might, you know, scratch and break something every time you bring it in and out. I've learned that you can actually just put it in the back seat, and Nikki's bike can be in the trunk. So we actually can go on road trip with our bikes, both in the car, and we can charge it while we're driving with our Jackery boat. Not Jackery boat, but with our, it is also a Jackery. Oh, nice. Yeah, a Jackery power station, 240 watt hour, connected to a solar panel. I'm hearing music. I'm hearing sound from the bike now. I don't know what that is, but hopefully I can get back safely. I don't want to walk this bike back or even pedal this bike back because it's really hard. I would say it's still worth it to go out like this and enjoy this weather. This is a once in a lifetime experience, especially going with Nikki because she doesn't like this kind of weather and she would rather stay home. But me, I'm like, beautiful. I also just purchased a little pouch for tools that I use to adjust this bike. I could put it on the bottom of my saddle. It looks good too. I just love having accessories with my bike, like a get home bike, you know. Just knowing that this bike has everything I need, so that if I'm stuck, I can just set up shelter. I got food, I got water. Oh, it's just so amazing. Because when I ride this bike, I always have my pannier in the back, and that pannier has food, water, and some shelter. I also found a way to mount my Peak Design everyday backpack as a pannier. It's actually beautifully. There's no screws, nothing needed, and easy mounting, easy taking off, and I'm very proud of that. And so I carry my Peak Design everyday backpack all the time with me. That's my everyday bag, right? It has water, it has food, it has cameras. I need to put more shelter stuff in there just in case. Oh, you're going too far away from me, boo. You're like a little dot. I love accessorizing. If you don't already know, like quickly, this bell, ooh, this is a retro bell. The reason why I got it because it looks retro and it's metal. And then I have my flashlight here. This is freaking, what is it, 30? I forgot now. Like 3,000 lumens mounted here all the time. This is my everyday carry light because I love lights. You gotta have lights. You gotta have at least 2 lights. So I have this light and a headlamp just in case. Nikki has a light too. She has an anchor light. It's 900 lumens and it can do strobe, which she uses when she rides bikes. Moving on, I have this thing right here, which is, oh, I'm so excited about this finding. This is where I mount my DJI Osmo Pocket, and there's no spaces here. So I thought, man, what the heck? I don't want to buy an extended bar because it doesn't look good. It just tie everything down, and I can't fold it correctly when I want to fold the Lectric XP to go on the road trip. So I mount it behind the monitor. The control. Oh my God, the snow is getting heavier. It's hitting me. It's sticking. Yeah, it's like Nikki. It's like hell now. I hope it's not hell. Yeah. Oh wow, Nikki just fall again. Baby, you can be in Tokyo Drift. Man, you drift amazingly. You look like a little gangster with your hat stuck inside your helmet. At least you have that taken care of. My head is like exposed. I don't know, my face usually doesn't get cold, my ears does, but I have the earmuff, so I'm good. Oh wow. Snow day! So anyway, yeah, I'm proud of these findings. I just mounted right behind this monitor, and I use this for time-lapse. This bike acts as a tripod, so I can get those time-lapse of like the sunrise or snow like this. I just sit, get my camping chair out, sit there, have a sip of some cold beverage. Oh, no, not cold beverage, that's not good. Some warm beverage. I mean, I have all of those inside my pannier, and I just enjoy life. Just sit there, just enjoy every moment of it. And this, oh crap, this, oh, okay, my phone is frozen up. This phone, my LG V60, take amazing photos. This has the best manual pro app on it. Too bad that LG is not doing well. But you can throttle here if you want, just to make it easier. But this mount here is amazing. I tried 3 mounts already, and I always come back to this mount because one hand you can take it out, one hand put in, it stay put. You tighten it, it's not going anywhere. Oh, wow! Last time I saw deers here. It's so beautiful. See, I'm resting my hand here, and this thing's not going anywhere. I love this. I love having this like this, so like Google Maps, or when someone calls me, I can easily pick up. Or especially when I use this phone as actually a secondary camera. I actually bought all these accessories before I even get the bike because I had to wait 3 weeks for the bike to come. And so I just like, I researched and I did everything. Oh, another thing is I have this thumb throttle. This is a lifesaver because I don't have to do my whole twist of the wrist, which get annoying after a while. And I just throttle with my thumb, and it's cool because I still have some space left. You know, it's small enough so my hand can still grab onto this like this, and when I want to throttle with my throttle, I just move like this, twist it down, and I go.